Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Similton, and I'm a tutor that is here to better help you understand our American English language. Today we're going to go over our phonics sound, air, spelled A-R-E, A-I-R, E-A-R, and E-R-E. These vowel teams again produce the air sound. Before we begin our video, I would like for you to hit that like and subscribe button. And if at the end of our video you would like to continue to learn more from me, be sure to hit the notification bell so that way you're always notified of our first videos. Let's go ahead and begin. Our word spelled A-I-R, A-R-E, E-A-R, E-R-E produce air. So right here for our worksheet that we have today, we're going to choose words in our word box, and we're going to make sure we complete a process of elimination and choose which word best completes our 8 sentences. What I'm going to do for you, I'm going to read you our words in the word bank, and then I'm going to read each sentence. And as we complete each sentence, we're going to eliminate the word that we've already completed. So we'll continue down until we're done. And at the end of our video, please let me know in the comments what you enjoyed about our video today. What are some more things you would like to learn later on in our next video? Or if you have some key pointers, be sure to let me know. I can't wait to read them. Alright, in our word box, we have words like fair, rare, air, share, care, wear, pair, and where. And if you were listening, you heard the word where 2 times. We have wear as in to put on something, and we have where as in to locate. Those are 2 key details. While we're listening to our sentence, be sure to have your listening ears on, and let's pay attention. Alright, so our first sentence we have, the blank at the beach smells good. If I think about the words that we just went over, the word that made the most sense to me is the word air. The air at the beach smells good. And air is spelled A-I-R. A-I-R. Now air is spelled A-I-R. Air. Our next sentence, Mike snacks on a blank. Mike snacks on a blank. For that particular sentence, we have words remaining like fair, pair, where, rare, care, wear, and share. The word that makes the most sense to me is the word pair. Pair, spelled P-E-A-R. Pair. Mike snacks on a pear. Our third sentence, Mel and Ray blank their toys. Mel and Ray share their toys. Share is spelled S-H-A-R-E. Share. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Our fourth sentence, it is blank to see a bear. It is blank to see a bear. Based on my context clues and remembering the words that we already said and words we've completed, the word that best fits this sentence is the word rare. It is rare to see a bear. Rare. R-A-R-E. R-A-R-E. Rare. Our fifth sentence. We blank hats when it is cold. We blank hats when it is cold. Remember, we just went over two words that have the same sound, different spelling. One was for location and one was to put on something. And our sentence is, we blank hats when it is cold. The word that I've chosen is wear. We wear hats when it is cold. Wear. W E A R. Wear. Our sixth sentence. Meg spots a pig at the blank. Meg spots a pig at the blank. The word that best completes that sentence, based on the words we have remaining, and think about the context clues. Meg spots a pig at the fair. Fair. F-A-I-R. F-A-I-R. Fair. Our seventh sentence. I don't know blank you went. I don't know blank you went. We have two words remaining, where and care. Let's think about context clues. The word I've chosen is where. I don't know where you went. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. I don't know where you went. W H E R E. Where. Our last sentence, but not least. She doesn't blank what is for dinner. She doesn't blank what is for dinner. Our word that we have remaining is the word care. Care. Spelled C-A-R-E. She doesn't care what is for dinner. Care. And we have just completed a quick example of words with the air sound. Vowel teams A-R-E, E-I-R, E-A-R, and E-R-E. Now at the end of this video, if you have any questions or concerns about our lesson today, be sure to let me know in the notifications in the comments so that way I'm able to better help you understand more. If I need to make another video, I will gladly do so. And again, if you have another topic that you can think of in our English language that you're struggling on, or you need just a little bit more help, be sure to reach out to me and let me know. And I'm looking at these things. I want to help you. So be very honest with me, be very transparent, so that way I know how to fit you and what are your needs. I'm here to be of service to you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and you all have a great day. Thank you.